Are you in a space where you're feeling you're giving all of your time for other people and don't have time for you? Are you wanting to be there for everyone, but just feel overwhelmed by the pressures that are put on you, feeling stressed and tired and wired, as I like to call it? If so, I'm doing an hour-long workshop on the 30th of May at Millards Yard on Gillygate, York, and this is for you. It will give you a quick technique to remove all stress from your system so that you can feel in charge of your life and moving forward in a way that's flowing and right for you, so that you can make a difference in the way that you wish to in the lives of those you care for, and indeed yourself. So the event is at Millards Yard, 7 till 8 p.m. on the 30th of May. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.